Hi, I'm Adam. How to open Revolut business account step by step. First of all, in the Google search you have to type in Revolut business account and click on the top search result. Revolut website will open. You have to select join now. On the next page you have to select the country of your residence. Click on continue. From the drop down menu you have to select your business type and then click on continue. And now Revolut will ask you for your phone number. You have to type in your phone number and it will send you a one-time password on your phone number. You have to grab that password and type that password in this section. Once you have confirmed your phone number, it will ask you to create a password for your new business account. You have to create a secure password for yourself. After creating the password, your information will be submitted to the Revolut, which will take 2 to 3 days for Revolut to confirm your business details. And once they have approved your details, your Revolut business account will open. And that's how you can create a Revolut business account. If this video was helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.